Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm really excited because as you can tell by the title, we have some new releases here. This isn't even everything, so if you want to check everything out that is going to be released, stay tuned till the end of the video to see every single thing. I want to thank you guys so much for all of your support, your orders, your comments, your likes, and your requests. So everything that you see here was a request by you guys, and I am doing my best to try to get to every request, but at the end of the day, I can't make everybody happy, which after doing all of this, I'm realizing that I don't want to overwhelm myself because I just opened the shop and then I got so many requests, so I just really wanted to fulfill some of them, and I will be doing little releases here and there, but as a whole, I think I'm gonna just do them once in a while. My goal is probably like once a month maybe. I'm really excited about everything here, and I'm so thankful and grateful for all of you. So I'm just gonna gather everything up and I'm gonna show you everything one by one and what's going on. And again, if you requested something and you don't see it here today, just so you know, I have a running list and I'm working on it. It's hard to get to everything, and again, it's hard to please everybody, but I also have to do what's best for the shop and for myself mentally because you guys, it's a one-woman show over here. I do everything from designing, printing, laminating, cutting, packing, all of it. It's just me, so I appreciate you guys. We have been working under the processing time, which I'm really grateful for, so thank you guys for understanding, and I know a lot of you guys got your orders already, so I'm so glad that you're loving it. But anyway, let's just jump right into it and get started. Alright, one of the first things here is we have another vacation savings challenge. You guys have seen this before, and a lot of you guys love this, so I decided to come out with a $3,000 goal savings challenge for vacation because I realized that some people have bigger families, so that's another option for you guys I wanted to give. And another thing that was a request was to just have the label and the tracker as an option to purchase. So now there is an option on the website to purchase any of the challenges that are in physical envelope form like this, in just the trackers. So if you're one of the people that asked for it, it's here. You can just get the front label and the tracker, and again, that is an option. Another thing that was requested that I was not able to get to this particular round of new releases was the savings challenges in an A6 printable size. I have already made templates for all of the things you see here, and doing a whole nother size is just recreating a new template and then redoing them and readjusting all of the sizing and the positioning. So it's taking me a lot longer. So for those who've requested the A6 printable size, it's coming. It's just, again, it's a one-woman show, and I'm doing all this by myself. So I've started the process of resizing everything. It's just taking a while because I have so many challenges and so many options. So it's just taking a lot longer. Anyway, that is a new one here. So again, you can get the vacation savings challenge in the $3,000 goal. We have a $1,000 and $2,000 in the shop, and now we have a $3,000. All right, the next one that we have here is a $5,000 savings challenge. When I originally released all of the savings challenges for 2022 in December, I got a few requests for some goals that were a little bit higher, and I decided to do that for you guys. So we have a $5,000 savings challenge. As you guys can see here, the increments here are bigger because it's $5,000, but just in case you guys wanted a bigger goal, there it is. And just like the other one, you can also get it in just the label and tracker form. You would get these two and no envelopes, so that is an option there. And then we have the $10,000 savings challenge, and this, same thing, really simple. These increments are double what the $5,000 one was, so these increments are obviously a lot bigger. 300, 400, 200, 100. So just keep that in mind. But just in case you wanted a bigger challenge, there you go. And also, like the other ones and every other challenge previous To these, you can get just the labels. So it's going to be on the website. You can get any of the challenges in just the labels if you wanted to save a little bit of money. All right, the next thing we have here is a 4th of July savings challenge. This was a request, obviously. I know not everybody celebrates 4th of July, but this request came in. It was very easy for me to just change out the template and make a really cute design. So I love how this came out. I love the fireworks. I love the colors of it. I think it's really fun. So again, you can get it in the physical envelope form, or you can get it in just the label form. I'll give you guys a little close-up because again, I love the details on this with the stars and the balloons and the fireworks. I think are so cute. This is great if you have a big celebration for 4th of July with your friends or family, or a big cookout. I know that's really popular. So I wanted to make that an option as well, and thank you for your request. Okay, the next new release item I'm really personally excited about because they are coffee themed. This again was requested pretty early, so I wanted to make this available. I have a Dunkin' Donuts one, which I think personally is the cutest. We have a little coffee cup here with a little smiley face and a DD. We have sprinkles all around. The O on donuts is an actual donut, and I just love how this one came out. We also have a Starbucks one. Very cute, simple. And then we also have a general coffee one with a little coffee bean soaking in a coffee cup, and then a to-go cup right here. I thought this was super cute, and again, a little bit more general if you don't go to either of these coffee places. And these are the regular A6 size envelopes, but I knew I was going to get requests for this, so I decided to also make them in the A7 size envelopes as well. So these are smaller, as you can see, and I think they're adorable. So they're just the label with the envelope here. And if you guys are not familiar, these obviously fit our normal binders, or some people have wallets that fit A6 size. And then the A7 size fits a smaller A7 pocket wallet like this. This is mine right here. Also, just a heads up and a sneak peek. I know I'm spoiling this, but I don't really care because I'm excited about it. Y'all, stay tuned for a possible wallet release in the future. I'm just saying, I already placed the order, but I'm waiting for my sample and all of that. So if you guys are a fan of this wallet right here, I'm telling you, I'm so excited. I hope they come out the way I want them to. And yeah, so these particular envelopes will fit in my A7 wallet here. I mean, is this just not the cutest thing you've ever seen, just like having this in your wallet? I'm really glad I got this request because I know that coffee is a very popular thing in a lot of people's lives, and it's also the thing that people don't realize how much money they're spending on it. And I personally believe if you love and enjoy coffee and you're trying to cut back, whether it's for health reasons or financially or anything like that, like, you can still enjoy the things you love, just maybe not every single day, maybe every other day. So this is a great way to kind of keep track and just kind of budget what you're spending on coffee, like outside of the home. So again, I think these are so cute. And again, stay tuned for a possible wallet release in the future. I'm so excited. I hope it happens. Yes, I'm putting it out there. Okay, that was like a huge sneak peek. But so we have A6 size, A7 size right here. And then also, since I knew I was going to get requests for it, I also made these available in just the labels. So if you don't want the envelope, you can just purchase the label singly. And that's what that looks like. Okay, in the A6 size. And again, if you just want the labels, you can just get the labels in the A7 size as well. All right, so that is all of the coffee releases. All right, so the next thing that's going to be released as a listing is a savings challenge bundle. This was requested by a few people, was to have a bundle that included a binder and some savings challenges. So the bundle that I came up with was you can pick any color binder that you want, and you can pick any 5 savings challenges that you want. So it could be any of the ones that we have offered in the shop. These are just some examples. So if you've been thinking about getting a whole savings challenge binder to use, you know, throughout the year, over the next few years, you can get some big increments, some smaller increments and stuff like that. So just really whatever fits your budget. Everybody has a different budget. So the savings challenge bundle will have a binder and then 5 challenges of your choice. So that is also live in the shop, which is really exciting. Again, thank you for that request. Okay, and the last requested item that we have available in the shop for today and moving forward is the digital budget book for iPad users. I use this personally in my, budget notebook on my GoodNotes 5 app. So this was requested to have it available, and you get 5 pages that can be duplicated as many times as you want. So obviously you would use 12 of these pages for the whole year because it's monthly. And I also made it available for people who budget monthly and then also people who budget by paycheck. So if you get 2 paychecks in a month, you would duplicate this page and have 2 pages of this per month. So every page you can copy and duplicate in the app. So then we have the paycheck envelope breakdown, which you guys have seen me use. We have the sinking funds update. You can do that monthly. You just duplicate this in the app. And then we have the monthly expense tracker. So you get all 5 pages in the digital download, and that just comes right to you right after you purchase. So really simple, really easy. And then you can use your, pencil. I have the Apple Pencil and just write on this, copy it, paste it, do all you need to do on it. And all right, you guys, so that is everything that I have to show you today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, I thank you all for your requests because I really do try to make everybody happy. But keep in mind, this is a one-woman show and I am doing my best to keep up, but provide you guys all the options. And yeah, again, if you need a reminder, this is the shop freebie right here. So if you place any physical order in the shop, you will receive a $1,000 placeholder. Looks like that. So you will receive one of those with your order. Again, I thank you guys so much for your support. Even just watching and interacting with me here on this channel, it means the world, and I'm so happy I can bring these things to you guys. And I love making these videos, and I'm so excited to do more. So if you guys have any other requests for videos or products or anything like that, let me know. Again, I have a running list because I really do try to make everybody satisfied. But again, I'm doing my best. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment if you would like, and subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.